right, time for our calendar. What new month are we in? Think. September, right. And what year is it? 2020. Okay, so yesterday we had a rectangle. The day before that, we had a circle for our date tag. What do you think might be here? Do you think it could be another rectangle? Go back to circle. Could it be a triangle? What do you think? Well, if you said triangle, you are smarty smarts. All right, so now let's figure out what number comes after 2. That's so hard. Right, it's a 3. You guys, I can't trick you. All right, let's put a 3 there. There we go. All right, so far, let's say our shape pattern. Ready? Circle, rectangle, triangle. Good. We have 1, 2, 3. So let's say today's date now. Ready? Today's date is September 3rd, 2020. And now we're going to write it. So what type of letter am I going to start with? An uppercase letter. So I need an uppercase S, and then an E, P, T, E, M, B, E, R. All right, now I need what? A finger space, and then the number on the date tag, which is 3. And then I need a comma, another finger space, and then the year, which is 2020. And that's how we put our date together. Pretty easy now, right? So today's date is September 3rd, 2020. All right, to find today's day of the week, we're going to go to today's date tag and go straight up. What's today's day of the week? It's Thursday. Good. So I need another capital letter because he's the name of the day of the week. So capital THURSDAY. So today is Thursday, September 3rd, 2020. All right, going back to today on the calendar. Today's Thursday. If I go back one, what was yesterday? Right, yesterday was Wednesday. If I go back today and I go forward one, what's tomorrow? Think. Tomorrow will be Friday. Let's sing our Days of the Week song. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. And there are how many days of the week? You got it, 7. Let's sing our months of the year song. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. All right, we are in September. And what number month is that? It's the 9th month. And how many months do we have all together? We have 12 all together. Time to count to 100. I hope you have fun getting some wiggles out while we count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. We did it. All right, let's talk about our teens. What number do our teen numbers start with? Think. They start with a 1. And then what about 11 and 12? What do they start with? They start with a 1. That's right. Okay, what about our 20s? What number do the 20s start with? Think. They start with the 2s. And then what about the 30s? What number do the 30s start with? Think. Right, they start with the 3s. Nice job. How many days were we in school yesterday? Remember, this one's starting with a 3, so it's 33. Yes, 33 days. All right, so we want to know how many days we're in school today. I need to add another linking cube onto our extra tower. So, do I still have 3 towers of 3? Or, sorry, 3 towers of 10? We do, so that's why I'm going to leave the 3 here. And then let's count and see how many extras we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4, so I'm going to erase the 3 and write a 4. So now how many days have we been in school? 34. That's right, 30 starts with a 3, so it's 34 days in school.